welcome back to a Girl and Dad podcast where he's the dad and I'm the girl. I'm Emma.
Or are you going to say who I am just because you've done everything else already?
He's Tim.
And what are we doing?
Question of the night.
Question of the night. Oh.
His turn.
All right.
Tim's turn.
All right. The question now, I just forgot it. Oh my goodness.
So.
All right. So the question of the night is.
2 hours later. I'm kidding.
Right. The question of the night is, what is the most annoying sound to you?
Okay. So sometimes in our house, or I'll hear this beeping and it'll go beep, 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 like a fire alarm is going off, and I'm like, ugh, why is that? And it's like loud. It's like beep, beep. It's like really loud.
And where do you hear this noise?
Like in the house, or just really
I've never
anywhere.
heard it in the house. Are you sure it's like a real sound, or is it just in your head?
I don't know, but it's really loud. Hey, I saw that.
All right, so this annoying a sound that nobody else hears.
Yeah.
That's really loud. That sounds like a truck backing up. Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
All right.
No, well, it really sounds like a fire alarm. It's just,
All
I
right.
can't like.
So I'm torn between two sounds. Right?
Then say both sounds.
Okay, so sound number one, and the people in my family know this one.
Me?
You, but everybody in my family knows that I don't like this sound, and it's the sound of other people eating.
Yeah.
And they smack. That
Like
really.
someone
All right.
in the house
The second sound
is me.
is you. Sometimes. The second sound would be like fingernails on a chalkboard. That just drives me nuts. All right.
I hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I want to get to 20 subscribers.
I think we're up to 14.
14? So you guys are really spamming that like button, subscribe button, and you are destroying that.
All right. Until next time.
Also hit that bell button
Oh.
so you can be notified whenever we post a new video. And until next time, goodbye!